Every breath we take and every meal we eat is thanks to one incredible process: photosynthesis. It's the reason plants grow, animals survive, and life on Earth thrives. But what is photosynthesis and how does it work? Let's find out. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants use sunlight to make food. Think of it as nature's very own solar-powered energy factory. Plants start with three ingredients: carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and sunlight, which powers the whole process. Inside a plant's leaves, these ingredients combine to create glucose, a type of sugar plants use for energy. And here's the best part: oxygen is released as a byproduct, giving us the fresh air we breathe. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf through tiny pores called stomata. Meanwhile, the roots absorb water from the soil, which travels up the plant to the leaves. The sunlight? That's captured by chlorophyll, the pigment that gives plants their green color. All of this magic happens inside special plant cell structures called chloroplasts. Chlorophyll captures sunlight and uses its energy to power the conversion of carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. The equation looks like Curious to see how this connects to the bigger picture? Don't miss part 2, where we dive deeper into why photosynthesis matters, the bigger picture. Click here to watch.